Hey guys, it's me, the ASUS Rampage 3 Extreme board. No, it's me guys, Ryan Yu, of course, of www.mytechisland.com, or you can check out our videos at www.youtube.com/techisland. I am your host for this web-exclusive unboxing of the ASUS Rampage 3. Now this isn't so new, but it's new for us, that's why we're unboxing it for you. Take note that we are not the first ones to unbox this. ASUS just sent it to us together with the ASUS Aries, which you've probably seen the unboxing already online. So we're now going to unbox this so we can set up both systems together to create the monster rig we have all been waiting to see this Christmas. It'll be 5 upgrades monster rig for 2011, and we were able to borrow all the equipments and show them to you here on Tech Island. So thank you, Fine Upgrades. Thank you, ASUS, for lending us your equipment. Right, so this is the box of the ASUS Rampage 3 Extreme. This is a socket, X58 socket LGA 1366. Okay, it's for the Intel Core i7 processor. It's one of the highest end motherboards right now for ASUS, right? Okay, so this is the front part, and it tells you basically what the board is, the name of the board. It's Windows 7 ready. It's got all these neat functions here at the bottom, as you can see. Alright, I'm not gonna run through all of them one by one. We're gonna do that on the review. And when you open it upwards, see, somebody already unboxed this, so it's not working out so well. There you go. Sorry about that, guys. And again, you can see the beautiful board inside just roaring to get out, and the Aries to get on it. Alright, so we're going to close it back, and we are going to see the back portion of the box. As you can see, you can read the specs of the motherboard over here, the CPU sockets that it supports, the chipset type, which is the X58, just as I said, the system bus, the memory, graphics, technology, and of course the form factor, which is in standard ATX. I'm sure most of you watching this show already know what that is and what this board does. But what we want to do now is to see what's inside. Do take note that one of the most special functions of this board is it has 4 PCIe 16X or X16 slots. That means you can crossfire 4 video cards, or you can do an SLI on 4 NVIDIA cards as well on this baby. Alright, so it's time to open it up and slide it out. Nothing left inside. See? Nothing left inside. So, this is the board, and it looks beautiful. Black and red, just the way I want it. Goes really well with the Aries too, with the black and red combination. And it's gonna go really well on the casing that we're gonna put it on, which is the Silverstone FT02 limited edition, which is also black and red, and we can't wait to see this baby on that. Okay, so before we go to the board, let's go to see what comes in the box. So you have your extra SATA port that goes to the back. Okay, serial ATA there, and 2 SATA and 2 USB, eSATA and 2 USB. Alright, 1 eSATA port and 2 USB 3.0 ports. This is an 3-way SLI connector. Do take note, if you don't still know this, that most of the time the SLI connectors come with the motherboard, while the crossfire connectors come with the video card. Alright, so this is a 3-way one, and you got your stickers to do some labeling on your hard drives. Interesting to see this. I've never seen this before in any of the ASUS packages that I've opened. And it's nice that, you know, they're thinking about the little details that are important to us enthusiasts. So you can label this like your OS hard drive, and you can label this cable. It's actually not labeling the hard drive, it's labeling your SATA cable. So that you'll know that this SATA cable is for which hard drive. I think that's how it should be done. Alright? Now there you go, see? It's a labeling, it's a label for your SATA cable. Sweet. This is quite important, and I am very impressed. Alright? And you have your SATA cable. The nice thing about the SATA cables is they come with a 90-degree angle, sort of similar to the Silverstone cables that are available in the market. They're with a 90-degree angle. It allows you to save some space and protect your hard drive or your cable from breaking off. Anyway, we'll show you more on how that works when we do the review, if I remembered. Alright, so we have another, this is an eSATA cable. Yes, SATA 6 gigabytes per second. Alright, and we have another SATA cable, another SATA cable. So we have 1, 2, 3, more or less we have 4 SATA cables. But this is already the high-speed SATA, if I'm not mistaken. The new high-speed SATA. Alright, so we also have a sensor, okay, a thermal sensor, and we have the back plate. Comes in beautiful black color. We have an ROG extra chipset fan. This actually, you can actually put this on the north bridge over here. It goes, the screws goes exactly on that, if you can see the screw holes. So this is an additional, if it doesn't mess or get in the way of your cooler, you can put this on. But if it does get in the way with your cooler, you have the option not to use it. Okay. And this is a riser card for, let me see what this is. The riser card is actually a Bluetooth. Okay, it's a Bluetooth receiver which goes on the back, and we've got some labeled connector ports. So instead, if you're gonna plug all your power, your hard drive LED, your power LED, your power connector of your casing, or your reset connector of your casing, you can plug it all here, and you can just unplug it one by one instead of one at one time, instead of having to do it one by one. So well, that's been around for a while. I always love using that. So, okay, we got the USB. I hope I'm not missing anything down here. I think we have an ROG sticker that can go on your casing. We've got a manual over here, and Rampage 3 Extreme BIOS update and reviewer's guide from ASUS. Alright, so I guess these are the drivers. I'm gonna download the latest anyway online, so I might not be using this anymore. And we've got an extra USB cable. Okay, that's all we have in here. What I do want to mention, oh wait, first let me show you the motherboard first. Let me show you the motherboard. I want to run through that, Mr. Cameraman. Show them what this baby is. So you've got your processor port, your RAMs, your PCI slots, your north bridge. You got this very cool minimalist modern style cooler design, the black and red, the board being a black PCB. It's just beautiful. ROG branding all over. This lights up when you turn it on. And over here you have your quick overclockers panel right on the board. You've seen that a lot in most of the different ROG boards as well. and we've got a go button. This is one thing that I like on this board, but I'm gonna tell you more of that later when we do the review. But for now, let me give you some advanced mini review about this board. Okay, the nice thing about this board is it comes with a software application that runs. Hold on, keep your eye on the board. Keep your eye on the board. Okay, here it is. See, there's a software on the iPhone, which is the ROG software. Okay, it's called the ROG iDirect. All right, the ROG iDirect allows you to monitor your hardware or operate your PC via remote control. I'm not connected now, so it's not working. And you can connect to your PC via USB or via Wi-Fi or via Bluetooth, hence the Bluetooth chip that goes on the board. ASUS is the first motherboard manufacturer to do this, and I have tested it. I have tried it out on the ASUS media launching events, and it is absolutely amazing. I think it's a must-have for all you overclockers out there. Not only can you do this with the iPhone, you can also do this with the laptop. You can connect your laptop by a direct link USB cable, hence the USB cable that came with this board, and operate it, overclock your system via your laptop. Now, how does that improve your experience? Let me give you an example. Before, when you take a car to the shop and have it repaired, normally a technician would open the engine and tear the engine apart and find out what's wrong with it. Alright, right now, all new cars have a processor on it or a mini computer on it where you just bring a laptop and connect it to that computer, and you can basically read through the settings of that car. It'll tell you how to overclock it, how to tweak it, or how to make it go faster, or what's wrong with it. In this case, ASUS has applied that technology to your motherboard or to your system, which for me, a computer right now is always compared with a car. That's why there's water cooling, just like you do with a car. And you can also tweak it just like racers do with their car when they go out to race, alright? So when you want to tweak it, you tweak it through the laptop, and it's amazingly easy. If your system hangs up, you can just reset it with your laptop and change the settings via your laptop without any fuss, without any fuss. No more problems with hanging up keyboards, the mouse not working anymore. Just operate it, everything through the laptop or through your iPhone. Alright? So that's just an advanced mini review of what's to come on the exact review of this device. For the meantime, you have to settle for this unboxing. Watch out for the beast to rise up. Alright? The ASUS Ares is going to go in this baby. And we're going to plug it in with a Core i7-920 on water cooling, a large cooler water cooling system. And we're going to pump it up and crank it up to the highest we can go and show you some good results. So watch out for that. Again, this has been me, Ryan Yu, of course, your one and only Tech Island host. You can see more of our videos at www.mytechisland.com or www.youtube.com/techisland. Check out our latest episodes on RCTV Channel 36, which will be airing very, very soon, alright? RCTV Channel 36 on Sky Cable Cebu, alright? Check out the latest Tech Island episodes over there, and you'll see these web-exclusive unboxings only on our online channels. So check it out.